Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we will discuss about tarballs. Tar, originating in the years of Unix systems, was named for its function, which was initially for writing multiple files to tape archives. It's called tar. Not everyone need the ability to transfer multiple files to tape, but commonly need the inherent functionality of the tar application, which is to generate container file that will house multiple files. This allows for easier transporting of files. Furthermore, these files can be compressed with gunzip. It's also known as gzip, decreasing their overall size. So some packages from third party or open source projects can be downloaded in tarball format and are easily identified by the .tar file extension or .tar.gz for compressed tarballs. During a penetration test, a massive amount of scanning documents, screen captures, customized scripts, and client documentations are captured. Using the tarball system allows for easier collection, management, and disbursement of all documents. So it is also highly recommended that all records from penetration test be kept in safe location for at least 5 years or the date determined by the state statute of limitations where the work was performed. So customers may also have stipulation on retention requirements that should be spelled out in the penetration test rules of engagement. The rules of engagement will be covered in the chapter on reporting also. If a company or contractor is very active with penetration testing, the amount of documentation can pile up quickly and soon be out of control. Tarball, especially when compressed, provides a system of containment that keeps record apart and allows for easier backup and overall management. So thank you for watching this video.